Hey friends, if I wish to access Microsoft Wallet to manage passwords and personal data, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the path is edge colon for backslash wallet. Simply open this path on Microsoft Edge. Although there's a route through settings, but I'm making it easier for you. Okay, and then you can access the wallet here. Now it says that it's making changes to wallet, but here's the thing, till Microsoft makes any changes, I do not want to say anything further. It will show your Microsoft rewards, it will show your credit cards and everything. It will show what you can buy with cards, and to access your payment methods you can go here. You can also access passwords and personal information here. Okay, so this is one thing, and you can also track your orders. Okay, so this is how you can access the wallets page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.